A crack, chip or scratch on your windscreen can be extremely dangerous and needs to be addressed as soon as possible. This damage will often require a full windscreen replacement, something the team at the Windscreen Company has specialised in for more than 20 years. The work can be carried out wherever is most convenient for you. Before we visit, it's important to make sure your vehicle is parked in an open space with plenty of room to open both front doors. We'll then carry out the work. This involves removing the wiper blades and trims to allow our team to access your windscreen. We'll then use a specialist wire to cut the windscreen seal and take the old windscreen out. Next, we'll clean and prime the new windscreen before gluing it in place. Windscreen wipers and trims will then be reapplied. Vehicles are always evolving, and almost every car manufactured since 2016 comes with Advanced Driving Assistance Systems, or ADAS, in place. As part of our windscreen repair and replacement services, we'll always recalibrate these systems to guarantee they're working as they should be. ADAS uses cameras and sensors which are fitted behind the rear view mirror and bumpers. These systems assist drivers with a whole host of driving functions, including autonomous emergency braking, adaptive cruise control, lane departure warnings, collision avoidance systems, drowsiness detection, and much more. When a windscreen is replaced, these cameras and sensors also need to be removed and reattached. Once your new windscreen is in place, our expert technicians use state-of-the-art technology to recalibrate all systems to your vehicle. ADAS exists to keep you and other road users safe, and we'll make sure that's how it remains. Operating across the West Midlands and South East, contact the Windscreen Company today to find out more about our services. Give us a call or visit our website to receive a free quote.